Welcome back to my series Tarot is in the Details, where we talk about the imagery and symbolism in each tarot card to gain a deeper understanding of it. Today, we're going to talk about the Empress, who is the embodiment of whatever people mean when they say divine feminine. And if you haven't noticed, this is the card associated with Venus because of that giant symbol of Venus, but there are also smaller symbols of Venus in the background that are repeated almost like a pattern. It's like whatever she is doing, whether it's obviously Venusian or most subtly Venusian, it's still there. That planet's energy is present. This card is all about being soft and gentle and also very, very comfortable because she is sitting on a throne almost that's made up of cushions and pillows. And because she is so comfortable herself, she also wants other people to be very comfortable. Even her robe is very, very flowy and comfortable. It's almost like a nightgown that people wear, but it's still very pretty because it has these details of what look like pomegranates, and it can also look like roses or flowers, but pomegranates are associated with Venus, so that makes more sense. There's also this detail of lace, which also adds to like the delicate nature and the softness of it. We can also see wheat growing in the very foreground of this card, which talks about fertility. But this doesn't have to be literal in terms of having an actual baby. This can also be metaphorical because this card is about being able to birth creative ideas and bring them into the world. The fact that there are trees in the background shows her connection to nature and also the cycles of nature, and of course, her connection to her emotions because the water in the background is flowing and it's also a waterfall. So, regardless of the emotions being still or intense, she can handle it and she is connected to it. She's also holding a staff in her hand which talks about power and authority because being feminine and all that doesn't mean that you're powerless. If anything, you are extremely, extremely powerful. And I've saved my favorite thing for the last, which is her crown, because at the lower end, there is a crown of laurels, and that's the thing that's actually connected to her head, which is about being grounded and being connected to nature. But the crown on top of that is a crown made up of 12 stars, which talks about her connection to the mystic world. And the fact that there are 12 stars and 12 zodiac signs also just connects all of this in a very beautiful way. And it's almost telling us that even if you are creative and grounded and all those things that are very, very earthly, you are still very connected to the spiritual realm. And of course, it makes sense that the stars are above the laurels because they're pretty pointed, and if that was on her head, that would hurt a lot, and she values her comfort, but also because of the saying, as above, so below.